In primetime news this evening, chaos and crowds, Jamaicans panic buy ahead of weekend lockdown. We have team coverage looking at Kingston, St. Catherine and rural parishes. And extend the time, Jamaicans appeal for more shopping hours on Saturdays.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and also online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening I'll have the business day. Jordan Fort will have sports, Orwell Tracy sports commentary, Deja and E-Prime and Remain the weather. But before the break, here's our feedback question. This evening we're asking, how do you plan to spend this weekend in lockdown? Share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet at televisionjam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.